A question I'm asked all the time by my clients is whether they can be treated differently or unfairly after they file a workers' compensation case here in North Carolina. What I find and what I've seen in my years of practice is that some employers are unfair to people when they file for workers' comp. Even though the law in North Carolina says that you have a right to file for workers' comp. Even though that's the law, that doesn't stop employers from treating people unfairly. You feel like you have a bullseye on your back. You feel like you did something wrong, even though it was no fault of your own. I hear it from my clients all the time that they're put in demeaning jobs after they get hurt on the job. They get hurt on the job and they're made to be performing a job that nobody else in the plant has to perform. They're sitting in the break room and they feel like other employees are looking down on them. I'm told by people that I've represented that their employer makes it very hard for them to go and get medical treatment, that a doctor's recommending certain types of care and either the insurance company's not authorizing it or the employer is not giving them the time off they need. These unfair situations are things that happen in the workers' compensation system all the time. Here at the law offices of James Scott Farron, we can help with that in certain cases. We're here to help people who are being treated unfairly by their employer. If you feel like you're being treated unfairly, you should call the law offices of James Scott Farron.